Welcome to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest reviews and insights on the latest products. Today, we're diving into the Hempz Original Natural Hemp Seed Oil Body Moisturizer. If you're looking for the best in hemp-based skincare, you've come to the right place. Let's explore why this lotion stands out from the rest. The Hempz Original is renowned for its natural ingredients and exceptional benefits. Infused with hemp seed oil, shea butter, and ginseng, it's designed to hydrate and nourish your skin deeply. What sets it apart is its rich blend of omega-6 and omega-3 fatty acids, known for soothing inflammation and enhancing skin health. Shea butter and ginseng work together to combat dryness and keep your skin supple all day long. Free from harsh chemicals, it boasts a fresh, floral banana scent that lingers without irritation. Packed with vitamins A, C, and E, it shields your skin from environmental stressors, promoting a healthier complexion over time. Applying the Hempz Original is effortless. Simply dispense a generous amount onto your palms and massage it into your skin. Focus on areas prone to dryness, such as elbows and knees, for optimal hydration. Its lightweight formula absorbs quickly, leaving no greasy residue, perfect for daily use. It's simple. It combines the power of hemp seed oil with botanical extracts to deliver unmatched hydration and protection. Whether you struggle with dry skin, redness, or simply want to maintain a healthy glow, this lotion is a must-have. In conclusion, the Hempz Original Natural Hemp Seed Oil Body Moisturizer is more than just a skincare product. It's a commitment to healthier, happier skin. With its natural ingredients and proven effectiveness, it's no wonder it's a favorite among beauty enthusiasts worldwide. Don't just take my word for it, experience the difference yourself. Thank you for watching. If you've tried the Hempz Original or have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more reviews and recommendations from Product Critique. Until next time, stay tuned for more insights into the products you love.